workshops were both very small burns, but as I said, it's just for demonstrational purposes. So we had about 20 landholders and traditional owners who attended, which was really good because we had about 6 elders who were able to be involved in the workshops, and they were able to sit there with the young people and talk about how cool burn practices have been done over the past 60,000 years, but also their lifetime.
I'm actually pretty keen. It gives me a new learning experience. Learn more. It gives me a chance to learn more about how my people used to do it in traditional ways.
Working with other landholders for fire preparedness. So this is for them to understand what is required in preparation to the fire season. One of the things that BMRG's learnt from this workshops that we've been undertaking is that we need to have more traditional owners involved with landholders, and that's just about sharing knowledge. That's just about working together and understanding how you can read different fire signs in terms of landscapes.